Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be transforming this denim pants I've had and adding some slits to them on the sides, and it will be a short video, short and simple, so I hope you'll enjoy it. Please like, share and subscribe. So let's get to it. First step, we're going to lay the pants down on a table or a flat surface and measure the length of your slit. I decided my length will be 13 inches, so I'll measure 13 inches on both sides and mark them using my chalk. You're then going to take your seam ripper and undo the side seams on both sides. This will take a while, so you have to be patient. You can put on a movie or something to pass the time, but just do it nice and simple and easy so that you don't freak yourself. Here I'm ripping the bottom hem by 1 inch or so before I rip the side hem, the side seam that is. When ripping the seams, make sure you don't surpass the mark you've indicated for where your slit should reach. This is me ripping the outer seam up to that point. Then, because the pants are serged or overlocked, I had to overturn them so that I can also seam rip the overlocked seam. I told you it will take a while, so be patient. Then I took my tape measure, marked the same 13 inches on the inner part of the pants to make sure I don't surpass that mark. An eternity later, we are done with one side. I just pulled on the two edges, then the seam opened up. Be patient, my people, be patient, because remember, you have the second leg, so do the same to the other leg. Yeah, you're then going to go to the sewing machine and use the zigzag stitch to overlock the raw edges so that they don't fray. That's what I'm doing over here. If you don't have a sewing machine and you're hand stitching, you can just fold that edge twice and stitch it along the sides. This is how it will turn out. Repeat the same for all the raw edges, remember. Then I'm going to take the pants, sew horizontally on my 13 mark. I'm going to sew a horizontal stitch. You're then going to fold the edge along where it was initially folded. You're just going to follow the initial fold and use a straight stitch from the top of the slit to the bottom. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and the end. When you come to the bottom hem, you're going to fold following the initial fold generally, because we had seam ripped the bottom hem by almost an inch. We're also going to sew it up using a straight stitch. Fold the fabric easily onto itself and stitch. Because the material here it's thick, you're going to do this slowly so that you don't break a needle. Repeat the same process on all 4 edges, and after that you'll be practically done. I told you this was a quick and easy tutorial. So sew up all the edges and you're done.